The brave little ant. In a bustling meadow, a tiny ant named Andy lived with his ant friends. One day, while exploring the forest, he saw a big juicy apple across a gushing stream. The other ants warned him not to go, but Andy was determined. Undeterred, Andy found a leaf and used it as a boat to cross the stream. However, midway the leaf boat started to sink. Andy felt scared but remembered his courage. Just then, a wise old frog named Fred hopped nearby. Seeing Andy's bravery, Fred offered help and carried him safely to the other side. Grateful and with a heart full of joy, Andy thanked Fred and took some apples to his friends. The Fred took Andy safely to his friends and they admired his bravery and teamwork. The moral of the story is that courage and helping others can lead to great rewards. With bravery and friendship, even the tiniest among us can accomplish remarkable things.